Have you ever stood at the edge of the world where the earth meets the sky? Imagine a place where rugged mountains touch the heavens, where ancient forests whisper tales of yore, where serenity and adventure dance a mesmerizing waltz. This place exists not in the realm of fantasy but in the heart of Norway's wilderness. Here, in this land of the midnight sun and northern lights, sits a geological marvel known as Trolltunga. Carved by the ceaseless hands of time and nature, Trolltunga, or the Troll's Tongue, juts out boldly over a vertiginous drop, defying gravity and challenging perceptions of the possible. It's a place that seems to blur the lines between the terrestrial and the celestial, between the tangible and the ethereal. So if you're seeking a rendezvous with the wild, a dance with the divine, then lend an ear to this call of the wild. Welcome to Trolltunga, a dramatic rock formation that defies gravity and captures the imagination of adventurers and nature enthusiasts alike. The trail to Trolltunga is not for the faint of heart. This journey begins with a step into the unknown, a daring venture into the heart of Norway's untamed wilderness. A challenging hike awaits those who heed the call of the wild, a path that winds its way through the rugged terrain of snow-capped mountains, across ancient forests, and up rocky slopes. Each step taken is a testament to the indomitable spirit of adventure, a journey of perseverance through the elements. The air is crisp and invigorating, the silence of the wilderness only broken by the crunch of boots against the frosted earth and the distant call of a mountain bird. As the trail continues, the surroundings become increasingly dramatic. Towering pine trees form a canopy overhead, their branches heavy with snow. The whispering wind carries the scent of pine needles and the earthy aroma of the forest floor. The path narrows and the incline steepens, demanding more from those who venture forth. Along the way, fellow hikers share their experiences. One may tell of the thrill of the climb, the exhilaration that comes from conquering challenging terrain. Another speaks of the peace found in the solitude of the mountains, a tranquility that can only be experienced when one is surrounded by the majesty of nature. Despite the physical demands of the hike, there is a shared sense of camaraderie. There are encouraging smiles, shared laughs, and stories exchanged. Each person is united by a common goal, drawn to the allure of Trolltunga, the Troll's Tongue. The journey demands grit and determination, but the reward is well worth the effort. As the trail ascends, breathtaking vistas unfold. Snow-capped peaks reach towards the sky, their jagged silhouettes etched against the horizon. Pristine lakes shimmer in the sunlight, their surface mirroring the beauty of the surrounding landscape. But those who endure are rewarded with glimpses of Norway's breathtaking scenery. The journey to Trolltunga is more than just a hike. It's an adventure into the wild, a testament to the enduring allure of nature, and a journey that begins with a single daring step. And then, as if emerging from the very soul of the earth, Trolltunga reveals itself. This is not an ordinary rock formation. No, Trolltunga is a marvel, a geological wonder that seems to poke fun at the very laws of gravity. It's a massive horizontal rock ledge extending out into thin air, hanging over a precipice with a sheer drop that would make even the most daring of us gulp. But there's more to it than just its precarious position. Trolltunga, or Troll's Tongue, is a testament to the raw, untamed beauty of Norway's landscape. Carved by nature's chisel, shaped by wind and weather over thousands of years, this iconic rock formation invites us to marvel at the grandeur of the world around us. But don't just take my word for it. Listen to what some of the intrepid adventurers who have made the journey have to say. "It's surreal," says one hiker, her eyes lighting up as she recalls standing on the Troll's Tongue. "You're out there, suspended in mid-air, and the view, it's unlike anything I've ever seen." Another hiker, a broad smile on his face, agrees. "The hike is tough, sure, but the reward at the end, it's worth every drop of sweat." There's a connection to nature you feel out there that's hard to put into words. And it's not just about the rock formation. It's about the expansive wilderness below, the snow-capped mountains in the distance, the lush valleys cradling crystal-clear lakes. It's about the crisp, clean air that fills your lungs, the sense of tranquility that envelops you, the feeling of being one with nature. This is Trolltunga, a place where the earth meets the sky, where rugged beauty meets serene tranquility, a place that invites us to stand on the edge of wonder, to marvel at the grandeur of nature, and to feel a deep connection with the world around us. Trolltunga, a testament to the raw, untamed beauty of Norway's landscape. As the day transitions to night, Trolltunga becomes a canvas for the celestial dance above. The sky, once a brilliant blue, slowly fades into a palette of warm oranges and deep purples. The sun, a glowing sphere of fiery gold, sinks lower and lower, kissing the snow-capped peaks of the surrounding mountains one last time before it disappears behind them. The twilight hour brings with it a sense of calm and tranquility. The world seems to hold its breath in anticipation as the last vestiges of daylight slip away, making way for the grand spectacle of the night sky. The stars, one by one, begin to twinkle into existence, scattered like diamonds against the black velvet backdrop of the cosmos. Constellations, those age-old patterns etched into the heavens, begin to take shape, narrating tales of myth and legend to anyone who takes the time to listen. And there, beneath the vast starlit expanse, Trolltunga stands in silent awe. A blanket of stars unfolds, turning the landscape into a celestial masterpiece. Trolltunga, where the earth meets the sky and adventure meets awe. As dawn breaks, the first light of the day graces the Norwegian wilderness. The sun, a radiant orb of warmth and life, begins its ascent, casting a golden glow on the majestic rock formation. The snow-capped mountains blush in hues of pink, as if blushing at the sun's gentle caress. The valleys, cloaked in shadows, gradually unveil their verdant beauty. Life stirs in the wilderness as the landscape basks in the morning light. This is Trolltunga at sunrise, a spectacle of nature that leaves one breathless. The rock ledge, a sentinel of stone, watches over the awakening wilderness, its silhouette stark against the vibrant morning sky. It's a sight that captivates, that inspires, that humbles, a place that beckons the intrepid to stand on the edge of wonder and be humbled by the grandeur of Norway's untamed wilderness.